All right, hi, it's Pat here. Just want to go through a couple things with you in regards to the look and feel of the websites. First of all, we need to get two different websites built. Actually, it's only 2 pages, so I guess I would say web pages, but there's going to be 2 pages to each, so a total of 4 pages. The first one is going to be the landing page. Here's an example of the current one we have temporarily up. You can see here it's got this video for Tim Sells, and I'll show you a different site as far as the look and feel and the placement of the video that we need. So there's pretty much a banner here. We don't have to worry about the opt-in box. We will do that in line behind the video. And we need to get this pretty much, I like the cleanness here. So the first one is one for Tim Sells, and it's got Tim and Laura. They talk about the business. And the second one is a Robert Allen one, very similar. You got Robert Allen here, and we have the videos, and you don't have to worry about that. We just need to get a placement set aside for the actual video. So there's a Tim Sells one, and then there is a Robert Allen one. Here are some examples of the actual sites that we've got for clients, and as you can see, there's a banner up at the top, so we'll need a banner for each page. And then we've got the video. We just need to have a pretty much the box designed in the HTML for the video, and I can get you the dimensions for that. And then on the left here, there's just one image. We don't need that exact same image, but this is an example of one client's. This is an example of another client's. This is what their page 1 looks like. So you've got the little animated hands over here, and then you've got a video page here, and when they finish, that's the inline video. They hit submit, and then it'll take them to the page 2, so secondary page. I don't want them as dark as these, but these are the two that we currently have out there for you to look at there. So yeah, that one and that one. Okay. This is the corporate site that we want to get some inspiration from, but we don't want the site to be as dark as this corporate site. But this is RX's corporate site, so you can kind of get a look there, get a good understanding and a look and feel of that. That's the actual corporate site. That's rx.com. And then these are the two sites that we need. Now I'll get you the exact dimensions, but we need basically a video, we need a small banner at the top, and then a spot over to the side. On the second page, once they go in, there should be a next step. Come up here, go to the next step. And we'll have that there. So we've got part 1, part 2 in here, but it'd be next video, or give me more information, or that type of thing. So we'll work with you on the text on that. So this is the look and the feel of the two sites, and then this is the corporate site, and then we need one for Tim Sells, and we need one for Robert Allen. If you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully that answered them all for you. Thanks.